Hi everyone, I am Ms. Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics at KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we learn about the various systems in human physiology. So what is human physiology? Human physiology is the scientific study of how the human body functions from the molecular and cellular level up to the whole organism. So in human physiology, first we see about the cell and tissue. So as we know, cell is the basic unit of life comprised of plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus along with organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes and the endoplasmic reticulum. Each specific functions. The specific functions are energy production, protein synthesis and material transport or carry place in cell, as well as the tissues are a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. So there are the different types of tissue which are common: epithelial, connective and muscle and nervous tissue. Next we see about the blood. So red blood cells carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. White blood cells are fight infection as part of the immune system, and platelets help blood clotting. So the function of red blood cells is carry transport from the lungs to the body tissue, and same well as carry carbon dioxide away from the tissue. So it is the major function of RBC, as well as the WBC defend the body against infection and disease, and the platelet is used to clot the blood while bleeding or wound occur. Next we see about the immune system. In immune system, the antigen and antibody plays a key role. So antigen is a foreign substance that may trigger an immune response. Which trigger an immune response means the antibody is produced. Antibody is a protein and it produced in our body and act against the antigen. There are two main strategies: humoral immunity, cellular immunity. As we know, antigen is a molecular protein or sugar the surface of pathogen that the immune system recognizes as foreign substance. So our body, the B cells and T cells are produced antibody which act against the antigen and kill the antigen in our body. So there are two immunities. First, the humoral immunity. Humoral immunity means the B cells produce the antibodies, and the cellular immunity means the T cells produce the antibodies. So this is the major difference between the humoral immunity and cellular immunity. So both the immunity cells are act as a fight against pathogen or antigen enter into our body. Next topic is nervous system. The nervous system is the body's communication network composed of the brain, spinal cord and a complex network of nerves that transmit and receive signals throughout the body. So nervous system controls everything from our voluntary actions like walking and talking to involuntary functions such as breathing, heartbeat and as well as thought, emotion and sense. These are the voluntary actions or coordinates everything. It's controlled by the nervous system. So this system divided into central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system include brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system connects CNS to the rest of the body. Now we see about the sense organs. There are the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So as we know the functions of the sense organs, eyes are able to see the sight, detecting light and color. Ears enable hearing and balance by detecting sound waves and movement. Nose responsible for the sense of smell. Tongue is responsible for the taste and identifying the sweet, sour, salty, bitter and umami tastes. As well as skin, the largest sense organ is called as skin. It detects touch, pressure, temperature and pain. So these are the 5 sense organs involved to stimuli from the environment such as light, sound, chemicals and physical contact and converts them into an electrical signal. And the system, circulatory system. In circulatory system we learn about the heart and circulation. So heart is a muscular pump that circulates blood throughout the body via the circulatory system. So a network of vessels that include arteries, veins and capillaries is the network of vessels. It carries the heart into the various parts of the body and return the carbon dioxide from various parts of the body or tissues to the heart muscles. So in the circulatory system delivers oxygen, nutrients to cells and remove waste products like carbon dioxide. So the heart has 4 chambers, true atria and the reserve blood and true ventricles that pump blood out. So blood flows from the body into the right side of the heart, which pumps it to the lungs to get the enough oxygen for our body. And the same, it then returns to the left side of the heart and is pumped to the rest of the body. So these are the topic we today learned. Thank you.